Hey y'all, it's your girl Quoia Renae, and I'm back with another video. So today I wanted to do this cute glitter cut crease look for y'all, you know, looking real luscious or whatever. And y'all, I don't know why I just said whatever, because I really hate when people say that. I think it's like so, like, I don't like it. Anyways, y'all, I decided to do this cute golden glitter cut crease for you all. And I just hope that you all enjoy this video. And let's just jump right into it. So today what I'm going to use for my base for my eyeshadow is LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Creamy Beige. And I'm just going to pat that in all over my lids. After that, I'm going to set that concealer with my powder from Sacha Buttercup. Then I'm going to go in with my 35R palette from Morphe. I'm going to lick my tongue out at y'all because I'm silly like that. And then I'm going to use that as my first transitioning color. It's like a light brown shade, y'all. And I'm just going to pat that in as well to blend. And another thing I just wanted to add in, y'all, is I don't care how discouraged or frustrated you may get or who tells you your eyeshadow don't look good. Keep pushing and keep practicing, y'all. Listen, I remember, I'll never forget, and I don't care if she watched this video either, but on my birthday, y'all, I had fleeked my brows, y'all. I thought I did my thing too, honey. And my best friend was like, nah, you ain't do good. You need to go to the professionals. She probably don't even remember it, but it always stayed with me, and it hurt my feelings, y'all, too. But I kept practicing. And guess what, y'all? A couple years later, she asked me to do her brows. So, you can do it. With my Juvia's Place palette, and I'm going to take this shadow that's a mixture of like brown and orange, and I'm going to use that as my second transitioning color. And I find that patting the eyeshadow in first works better for me, and then I'm going to use circular motions once I'm done with that. That works better because it's just easier to blend in for me. So if you have hooded lids like myself, you have to lift that brow, y'all, so you can really get in there and do your thing with that eyeshadow. Then I'm going to do a little Millie Rock for y'all. I don't know what I be doing, but, you know, you have to have fun in the midst of doing this eyeshadow because it's a lot of work. Then I'm going to take that brown shade, and then I am going to use that as my other transitioning color. And I'm going to use that same patted in motions with the circular motion. So then, y'all, I'm going to go in with my Jaclyn Hill palette from Morphe, y'all. I love this palette. I think I use it in almost all my tutorials because it's just that fire to me. Like, I love this palette. And I'm going to use that as a blending shade because I want to go back in with an even darker black. And I'm going to use this, like, light black to blend in with that brown and the darker black so it won't be so heavy. So then I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and I'm going to use the shade Noir, which is that deep dark black that I was telling y'all about. And don't judge me about that palette, y'all. I don't know if I strong armed it or something, but the part of the palette that closes it broke off. And you know, now I'm just left with that. And I probably going to use a little tape and bootleg it out or something. So y'all, after using all that black, you might scare yourself like me, y'all. Yeah, you might scare yourself, but you're gonna cut that crease, y'all, and then that's when everything is gonna come into place because it's gonna look like you got a black eye for a minute. But you're gonna cut that crease, And then once you're done cutting that crease, hold on, I got concealer on my nose. Okay, come on, get it together, Quoia. All right, once you're done cutting that crease, you're going to pat that product in. Once you've got your concealer together and you've cut that crease, I'm going to go in with the shade Melon from MAC. It's a MAC pigment, y'all, and I'm just going to put that all over my all over where I cut my crease at, and I'm going to use that as a base because we're going to put glitter over that. So y'all know I like to save my coinage, so all my glitters come from the beauty supply store. I'm just going to take some gold glitter and I'm going to put it everywhere that I place that melon shade. After that, I'm going to use this champagne color and use that for my inner tear duct area, and I'm just going to use that to kind of highlight that area. Then I'm going to take my NYC liquid liner and I'm going to use that to line my lids. So y'all, I messed up my daggone liner, but I got a trick for that. I'm going to take some concealer and I'm going to put that over the area that I messed up, and then I'm just going to go back in with my glitter and then keep it pushing, and then I'm going to go back over my liner with just to clean up the area that I messed up as well. And after that, y'all, we done, honey. I'm done with the eyeshadow, but I'm going to beat my face off camera. Make sure you all like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope you all enjoyed the video. I love y'all. Bye. So guys, this is the finished look, honey. Like, yes, honey. Y'all, my hair has been a mess lately, but I'm going to put up a video of me doing some loose pretty curls for y'all, because like this ain't me. Like, this ain't me for my hair to be just looking raggedy. But y'all, I be tired and it's almost that time to take this sewing out, but I need some new weave and have my coinage set up. Like, y'all know how that goes. So anyways, y'all, let's just get a close-up of these eyes. Y'all know how I love how to get a close-up of these eyes. So y'all, these are my eyes. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Be sure to follow me on Instagram if you decide to recreate this look. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with anyone that loves a good makeup tutorial. I love you all. Goodbye.